In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace a product in a photo using Higgsfield InPaint. We'll walk through a simple, reliable workflow to swap a product in your image with a different one, while keeping the rest of the photo intact and natural looking. First, head over to the Higgsfield website. Once you're on the homepage, look for the navigation labeled Image. Hover over it to reveal the options, then select InPaint. This opens the workspace where the editing will happen. Now upload the photo of your product. Choose a clear image where the item is fully visible and not cut off. Higher resolution files generally give better results, and common formats like JPG and PNG work well. After selecting your file, give it a moment to upload. You'll see a progress indicator. Let it complete before moving on. A stable connection helps the upload finish smoothly. When the photo appears in the editor, it's time to brush your product. The brush tells Higgsfield exactly what you want to replace. Carefully paint over the entire product, including edges and small details like handles or labels. If the brush size is adjustable, pick a size that lets you stay accurate around edges but still cover the area efficiently. Take your time here. Clean masking leads to cleaner blends. Next, upload the image of the product replacement. This is the item you want to place into your scene. For the most natural result, choose a replacement image that matches the general angle, lighting, and perspective of your original photo. If the replacement has a transparent background, great. If not, Higgsfield can still handle it, but clarity helps. In the prompt box, type exactly, "Replace with other image." This tells the tool to use the uploaded replacement image for the masked area. Keep the prompt simple, as instructed, to avoid unexpected changes to the rest of your scene. Now click Generate. The system will process your request, blending the replacement into your original photo where you brushed. This may take a few moments depending on image size and complexity. When the result loads, you're done. If you notice any mismasked areas or edges that need refinement, you can simply refine your brush and generate again until it looks right, keeping the same prompt and replacement. That's the entire workflow. Go to Higgsfield, hover to the image section, open InPaint, upload your product photo, wait for the upload to finish, brush the product, upload the replacement image, enter Replace with Other Image, and click Generate. With a careful mask and a good replacement image, you'll get a professional result in minutes.